Typinator has got some powerful automations and functions built in, but it can also run scripts for you inline too. And this takes the possibilities to another level entirely. Here I've got a document on time travel that's littered with errors and it needs proofreading and perhaps a small rewrite. I want an AI service to do this for me, and I just want to type in an abbreviation to kick that process off. And with inline scripts, you can do just that. So this is a very simple script that opens a ChatGPT window within Safari and types in the prompt that you can see here. It's quite simple. And then as long as I have the text on my clipboard that I want to proof, I can paste it in and away I go. But we need to get this script into Typinator first. So I'll press Command and A and then copy it to my clipboard. And here you can see I've already started setting this up. The abbreviation is xproof. And for the expansion, I'll click on Smart Element and select Inline Script. There's a simple script already in there, which we're going to replace, but I want to click on this drop down and just show you the different scripts that you can embed. So we've got Apple script, we've got JavaScript, there's Shell script, Perl, PHP, we've got Python, Ruby, and Swift. So you're kind of covered. I'm going to keep Apple script and then just delete the text that's there and paste in our new script. Then I'll click OK. Okay, let's see if it works. I'm going to get all of this text onto my clipboard, then type in my prompt, and we can see Safari opens on the ChatGPT page. And that's not me typing or fast forwarding, that's Typinator running the script, which is typing out the prompt for me. I'll paste in the text, and I'm done. Now, of course, I could modify the script even further, perhaps to automatically paste the text, or prompt me to choose an AI service, or even ask me to choose a prompt to execute. There's some great options available to you. Using Typinator to run scripts can be done for a variety of reasons, but it doesn't have to be text-based. Here I have another fairly simple script that, when run, is going to ask me for a project name. And when I type in that project name, it's going to create a folder with that name and then 4 subfolders. And it's great for setting up projects, and I can fire it off with just a few keys. So let's get this onto the clipboard and then switch over to Typinator. My new abbreviation is here, so I'm going to click on Smart Element, come down to Inline Script, and then just paste in my script. Now for this example, I don't necessarily want to type the abbreviation into a document. What I want to do is fire off my application launcher of choice, such as Alfred or Raycast, and then just enter the abbreviation in there. Well, if I come to settings, in expansion, I can do exactly that. We have checkboxes here to enable abbreviations to be typed into Launchbar, Alfred, and Raycast. I've got Alfred here because that's my tool of choice. And now I've got nothing on the desktop, and I quite fancy creating those project folders. So I'll invoke Alfred, type in my abbreviation. There's my window asking for the project name, so I'll call it Product A. And there is my folder on the desktop. And if I go in, we can see the subfolders have been created. So if you have ad hoc scripts that you just want to fire off whenever you wish with a keystroke, Typinator makes that incredibly easy.